Hello everybody, welcome to this JavaScript video series. In this video series, I am going to teach you JavaScript from basic level to advanced level, and I will start initially focusing mostly on the basics in the JavaScript, and then later I will show you how to integrate this JavaScript with HTML, and then I will introduce you to the topics such as asynchronous JavaScript and then promises, closures and many more. I'm pretty confident that by the end of this video series, you will be able to make at least as basic as this tic-tac-toe application to implementing asynchronous JavaScript in your JavaScript application. And I will just go through this JavaScript tic-tac-toe application once just to show you. You can do this as well, and I'm sure that you will be able to do this at the middle of this course. And this is a pretty basic one, and you should be able to do this by the end of the video series. And I have applied some warnings as well to this particular application, and you can select the sizes, and for the sizes that are greater than 4, I mean equal to 4 or greater than 4, you will be able to play 4 by 4 in it. I mean 4 by 4 is 4 by 4 all right, but you will be able to play 4 by 4 in 5 by 5 as well. uh, you can select turns as well as a player 1, player 2, like this one. 4 matched in a particular diagonal side, so player 1 wins. And as per our logic, what we have written is just selecting 4, I mean playing 4 by 4 in a 5 by 5. In this series I will also tell how we can modify HTML using JavaScript, and also modifying CSS using JavaScript as well. Before having any JavaScript discussions further, let's install initial dev setup environment. I want you to install NodeJS and Visual Studio Code in your laptops. I personally choose Visual Studio Code as my IDE. If you have any other choices of your own, you can follow that as well. But those who don't have any IDEs, I personally suggest Visual Studio Code as the IDE for the beginners. Uh, if you are a Windows user, you can click here and download that one. And if you are a Mac user, click here. And installation steps will be easy. Pretty much you are clicking on next only. And you need to install Node.js as well. You may have seen the setup in the, I mean, you may have seen the JavaScript setup in browser as well, but I want you to initially focus on JavaScript only. So that's why I want you to have an JavaScript runtime environment so that you can mainly focus on this JavaScript basics. Don't worry, I will show you how to set up that HTML and how to see the your written JavaScript code in the browser. I will show you later. And mainly in this course, I don't want to focus on theory part, and I don't want to prepare any PPTs. I want you to mainly focus on the coding side. Uh, when coding, I will explain you what is the purpose of using this, and what is the purpose to use this, and I will say all those things and with the definitions as well. But don't expect me to have a teaching sessions like a PPT giving sessions, maybe theory explaining sessions. I don't want to have those ones. I want to give you mainly on the coding side, and I also want you to know what are the things that may come up in the path, and how can we overcome the difficulties that we may face while introducing any feature or anything that particularly focus on those issues. After installation, open Visual Studio Code once, and I want you to install one of the plugins, which is Babel JavaScript. I will search for you once. Babel, yeah, McDormand, yes, this one. Yeah, I have already installed this one, and if you can also install this particular plugin for the Visual Studio Code. Now let's check our Node.js installation as well. Open command prompt, uh, and give the command node -v. It will show you the version that you have installed. By the time I am recording this video, I have this version 18.2.12.1. I mean, you may have other versions as well, because at the time you watch this video, those versions may vary. Now let's write a small JavaScript program, and I will show you how to create a folder in Visual Studio Code, go to the file and click on open folder and choose any of the location that you have convenience for you. And I'm choosing this PC C drive, and I have already created AK_JavaScript, and I have created a folder under it as well. I'm selecting this folder, and you can create a file using this icon, and you can create a folder using this icon as well. Now I'm selecting a file. Just like every other program out there, let's start with hello program here. Let's start the statement to print a message console.log hello world, and let's run this in the command prompt. It will be good if you have known some cd commands, make directory commands, pwd. uh, Pretty much we only use cd only. Copy this location and using the command cd paste it here. Now what happens is you are currently at this particular folder where you have created your file. Now enter this command node hello world.js. Now click on enter. Now you see I have written a statement console.log, which means in JavaScript it will print the message, and our message hello world, and it has printed hello world here. Let's change a particular sentence here just for the your basic understanding. And I guess I haven't given you my name. My name is Amarnath. And let's run this in the command prompt. Yeah, now you can see hello Amarnath here. If you don't understand what is this console, what is this dot, what are these brackets, and what are these things, don't worry, I will cover these things in the video series. Just what you need to know is just concentrate on basics and the stuff that I am saying, and just try to practice the things that you have learned, not just from me, from your research as well. With this, I am ending the video, and I hope I am able to teach you in such a way that you are able to understand everything. If not, please comment and I will improve my teaching as well. And please comment on how I am teaching, and if you like the content, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.